have receipts, I have my straightener, and I have the 3 non-toxic heat protectants that I reviewed for you guys yesterday, and you guys want me to spray these on the receipt paper and then use the straightener on them to see if the heat protectant is actually effective. I have receipts, timeline, proof! If you know. I have a few questions that even Google couldn't answer for me. I don't know why we're spraying this on paper and then comparing it to how it's gonna work on our hair, because our hair is way different than paper, but I'm still gonna do it for you guys. If you know the science behind it, I would love to know, because I looked it up on TikTok too, and a bunch of people do it to see if their heat protectant is actually effective. Once you spray it on the receipt paper, your heat protectant, and then you bring your straightener down through it, if it burns, then the heat protectant isn't doing much, but this is paper and this is hair. Okay, so just to remind you, I reviewed the Rahua non-toxic heat protectant, the InnerSense non-toxic heat protectant, and the JVN blowout cream, which this will be an interesting one. I can't just spray this on a receipt, so we'll see how it goes. My straightener is heated up. Okay, the video that I watched, they did it on a receipt paper without any heat protectant to compare the two, so I'm gonna do this. If I start a fire in my house, it's your guys' fault. Yeah, that, oh whoops, I didn't show you the right side. That burned. That means there's no protection. This first one, I'm gonna spray with the Rahua heat protectant, and I'm gonna do this side since that's the side I'll be showing you. Okay, it's like pretty dang wet. Let's give it a go. That was scary. Okay, here's absolutely no heat protectant. Here's the Rahua heat protectant. I don't know if this is accurate. It smells like absolute shit in here. And also, look at my straightener. You guys, what are you doing to me? I'm gonna do one more, but if it does that again to my straightener, I'm not doing it anymore. It's a smaller receipt, and I'm gonna do one of my favorites, and I'm like shook. Even the people in the video that didn't happen to their straightener. Are you guys breaking your straighteners over this and not showing people? Okay, but the next one is the InnerSense Hair Prep. This is what I've been using for the longest, and it's pretty good. I like this one the best on wet hair, but I'm gonna douse it. Okay, there's a lot on there. It's starting to curl. Okay. What are you guys doing to me? Okay, giving it a go. Oh. That one works. That one? Protected. No heat protectant. Rahua heat protectant. InnerSense heat protectant. So far InnerSense is winning. Okay, I'll do it one more time, but I'm confused how to do a cream one. I think I'm just gonna put some in my hands, rub it around, and then just kind of like Mod Podge it onto the receipt. I'm gonna try to get it completely covered so we get a true test. This is a Costco receipt. They were running out of receipt paper, so that's why it's blue. I just ripped it a little bit, but let's see how it goes. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one was pretty good. I didn't really get the cream up there, so that makes sense. Pretty good. Ah! Okay. Here's the final review. No heat protectant. InnerSense Organics heat protectant, probably the best one. Rahua heat protectant, not looking great. Here's the JVN heat protectant. I only put it like down here and it was a little bit harder to apply, but pretty good. And my straightener is barely holding on, so do not do this to your own straightener, and it smells like crap in my house. I still don't fully understand because my hair is way different than receipt paper as far as I know. If you believe in this test and you like this test, then you're gonna wanna do the InnerSense one. It's non-toxic and it didn't burn the receipt paper like the other ones.